Which pigment acts directly to convert light energy to chemical energy? In case of photosynthesis, the light energy is converted into chemical energy by green plants. But which pigment is act or play a major role to convert light energy into chemical energy? Is it chlorophyll B or A or xanthophyll or carotenoid? The right answer is chlorophyll A. Chlorophyll A is act directly to convert